Hi, I'm going to show you how to use a really good website called ELLLO. So it's ELLLO.org. You can see here, I'm typing it up here. And there you go. Now, ELLLO has audio lessons, video lessons, and lots of different levels that you can look at. So you can see here, if you scroll down, you've got beginner to advanced, listening levels, and then you've got different grammar, 50 new videos to watch that teach different grammar things. So let's have a little click. We'll click on this. So you can see low level beginner, mid beginner, high beginner. Verbs, likes, dislikes, basic verbs, adjectives, days of the week, languages, subject pronouns, object pronouns. Okay, let's have a look at the video adjectives. So here you can watch a video and then you can click on here.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Today, let's learn about adjectives.
And you can watch the video and learn a little bit about adjectives. And if you scroll down here, you can see some grammar that tells you about different adjectives. Okay, we're going to go back. And we'll go back again. And there we've got all the different listening. So you can click on listening levels. And that's, let's pick on this one, grammar, level 2. Present simple. I'll click on this one here. And we can listen by clicking on this. And we can see what they're saying. So you can listen and read what they're saying here. And then you can click on the next button here that says grammar. And you can look at the grammar of what the people are saying. And then you can click here on quiz. And there's a little quiz. Who wakes up at 6 o'clock? And you click on the one that you think is right. Okay, so that again, you can listen, you can read, you can look a little bit at the grammar, and then you can do a quiz. And that's ELLLO.org.